Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Story Corner. I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready for today's book adventure? Well, today we're going to read a sweet and simple story called Let's Try Baking. Do you want to meet our two characters? Well, we are in the kitchen today with Sunny and Bear. We're going to bake with them. Are you ready? Follow along. Let's read together. Sunny and Bear put on their aprons. Today they decide to bake yummy muffins together. First, Sunny washes her hands. Bear tries to do the same, but splashes water everywhere. Sunny giggles and grabs the big mixing bowl. Bear brings a wooden spoon. They find flour in the cupboard. Sunny scoops some into the bowl. Bear gets a little on his head. Next, Sunny measures sugar. Bear tastes a pinch and wiggles his whiskers. It's so sweet. Sunny cracks an egg, and Bear helps by holding the bowl steady. Bear pours in some milk as Sunny stirs, making big circles. Sunny adds blueberries. Bear puts one in his mouth. Yum! They gently fill muffin cups with batter. Sunny and Bear use little spoons to help. Into the oven go the muffins. Careful, it's hot, says Sunny. Sunny and Bear tidy up the mess. They put away flour and wash sticky spoons. While they wait, the kitchen smells delicious. Bear's tummy rumbles. Ding! The muffins are ready. Sunny uses oven mitts to take them out safely. The muffins look golden and yummy. Sunny and Bear each take a bite. They taste perfect. Sunny and Bear smile. Baking together is fun. Next time, they'll try chocolate chip cookies. And that's the end of our baking adventure. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed meeting Sunny and Bear and their delicious blueberry muffins. Did you know blueberries grow on a bush? They are a delicious fruit. With help from your mom or dad, maybe you can make blueberry muffins too. If you'd like to bring this story home for your family, you can find the paperback and the ebook versions of Let's Try Baking at the links right down in the description. Kids, keep reading because the best adventure starts in a book. Don't forget to subscribe to Lisa's Story Corner so you don't miss our next book adventure. See you next time. Bye.